Driving off in a bus, just the two of us and 200 of our friends. Beach day, it begins. Now we're down at the beach, heaven's within reach. But that's not because it's beach day, it's because Jesus came. Sunscreen is a must now, 'cause you don't want to end up like Jay. Listen up to Derek Gus now. Baby, it's beach day. So get out, get out, get out of your bed and come out to beach day instead. Everything's alright here at the lake, 'cause baby, it's beach day. Baby, it's beach day. Castles in the sand, that one looks like a man. Oh my gosh, it's alive. I wasn't really scared, guys. On the volleyball court, it's my favorite sport. Until I get hit in the face, I don't like how sand tastes. Think I'll eat a burger. Never thought that life could be so great. Nothing wrong's with burger. That's alright, it's beach day. So get out, get out, get out of your bed and come out to beach day instead. Everything's alright here at the lake, 'cause baby, it's beach day. Get out, get out, get out of your bunk and get on your swim trunks. I don't got nothing to say, but baby, it's beach day. Baby, it's beach day. So get out, get out, get out of your bed and come out to beach day instead. So get out, get out, get out of your bed, come out to beach day instead. Everything's alright here at the waiting for you. Here at Crystal Lake, baby. Get out, get out, get out. We're gonna have the best day of our lives. Baby, it's beach day.